Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today I will solve question of West Bengal set 2015 linear algebra. First see the question. First question is the characteristic roots of skew Hermitian matrix is option A 0, option B complex number, option C non-zero real, option D either 0 or purely imaginary number. We know that the characteristic roots of Hermitian matrix are all real and the characteristic roots of skew Hermitian matrix are either 0 or purely imaginary. So using this result, I directly take the option D. Option D is correct, either 0 or purely imaginary number. Now we see the second question. The second question is, let A be a 7 cross 7 matrix and the sum of the entries of each row of A is 1. Then sum of all entries of the matrix A to the power 7 is option A 7, option B 49, option C 7 power 7, option D 1. Here given that sum of all entries of each row of A is 1. We know that if sum of all entries of each row is 1, then eigenvalue of A is 1. So the sum of the entries of each row of A to the power 7 will be 1. Because if eigenvalue of A is 1, then eigenvalue of A to the power 7 will be also 1. So the sum of entries of each row of A to the power 7 is 1. And we see that 7 cross 7 matrix. If sum of each entries of every row is 1, then there are 7 rows. Then sum of all entries of the matrix A to the power 7 will be 1 plus 7 times. So sum of all entries of A to the power 7 will be 7. So option A is correct. See the third question. The third question is, pick which one is not correct. Underline first this, which is not correct. Option A, the set of all linear combination of a finite subset S of a vector space V over F is the smallest subspace of V containing S. We know that linear span of S of V is the smallest subspace of V. So option A is correct by theorem. So we cannot take option A because we have to find the wrong option. Option B, if S and T two finite subset of vector space V such that S subset T, then LS subset LT. We know that if S subset T, then linear combination of S, that is LS subset L of T. So option B is also true. That is, we cannot write option B is answer because we have to find the incorrect option. Now see option C. Let alpha belongs to Rn, S equal to alpha beta and T equal to alpha beta, alpha plus beta. Alpha beta belongs to Rn, then Ls not equal to Lt. We see here S equal to alpha beta and T equal to alpha beta, alpha plus beta. So here alpha plus beta is the linear combination of alpha and beta. So L of S equal to L of T. So option C is false. So answer is option C. And now check option D. If U equal to 1 1 and V equal to 1 0 1, then the set is linearly independent. Two vector is linearly dependent when we can write one vector as a scalar multiple of other. In this case we cannot write 1 1 1 as a scalar multiple of 1 0 1. So this is linearly independent. So this is true. So we cannot take option D. Only option C is correct. If you like my video content, then please give me like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.